Kennedy. Attention. Kennedy. Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Mr. all the staff members of Science Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, it is charming and fresh good morning to all of you. This is me, Pransu Vitwal, the of class 7 standard, standing in front of you to command this morning assembly. Class attention. Kennedy. Attention. Kennedy. Attention. A prayer is a powerful tool which can change our whole life. With this line now, I would like to call my classmate for prayer.
हम तेरो पुजारी मैया हम तेरो पुजारी हमारी ज्ञान गति हम तेरो पुजारी मैया हम तेरो पुजारी दिए मत दिए माँ सरस्वती बैठ न जाए धर्म छोड़ छाड़ी नक विचार छोड़ छाड़ी भर दिए विचार माँ सरस्वती दैण है जाए धन करिए मन करिए माँ सरस्वती दैण है जाए माँ सरस्वती माँ सरस्वती दैण है जाए श्वेत हंस श्वेत कमल श्वेत माला मोती ज्योति मैया मेरे धरिए लाज मैया मेरे धरिए लाज विवेक दिए माँ सरस्वती दैण है जाए दैण है जाए माँ सरस्वती 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 दैण है जाए
Attention. Kennedy. Attention. So now I would like to call class 3rd Shivans Kapoti for pledge.
Chairman, sir, respected principal and all the hardworking teachers and my dear friend, First of all, charming good morning all of you. My name is Shivanshi Kapkoti, behalf for class third. Today my place classes get ready for play. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of history and white heritage. I shall always strive to be loyal and worthy citizen of it. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall show kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along with the happiness, may God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. जय हिंद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Thank you.
Once you change your negative thought with your positive thought, once you get positive result. With this line, now I will like to call my classmate Gaurav Chandra for a thought.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of the academy, and my dear friends. First of all, very happy good morning all of you. Myself, Gaurav from class 7. Today I am standing here to say the thought. My thought is like that. The beauty of life is in a small delay, not in a big event. I repeat my thought once again. The beauty of life is in a small delay, not in a big event. I translate my thought in Hindi. जीवन की सुंदरता छोटे छोटे बातों में है, बड़े आयोजनों में नहीं. Thank you very much.
Children are rising star of our school. So now I like to call Hardik for poem.
Chairman sir, respected principal ma'am, all the hardworking teachers of Trend Academy and my dear friend. First of all, charming good morning all of you. My name is Hardik Gupta from class UKG. Today my Hindi poem is देखो देखो सर्कस आ भालू हाथी बंदर छोटा सा एक जोकर ने एक गाना गाया ये सब खेल दिखाएंगे सबका मन बहलाएंगे. My English poem is chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth with teeth, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet is tattoo. Yes. Thank you, nice day.
To call our senior for New Zealand.
All staff members of Trend Academy and my dear friends. This is the handbook, the standard of class 12. Today I am here to say telling on your children. Our school is international. Bangladesh faces unexpected fuel crisis. Is in national. Syria arrested two senior executives are caught in allied bank fraud case. Next news is state BJP, Telangana BJP has bring out 3 MLAs. Next news is technology. India is a 3D chip packaging event in Odisha. Next news is sports. Yesterday was the Tata IPL match between SRH and DC. SRH is won by 47 runs. Next news is temperature. Today the temperature of Pakistan is 28 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Thank you, have a wonderful day.
So now I like to call our senior for article.
A warm and charming good morning to Honorable Chairman, sir, respected gentlemen, all the staff members of Trend Academy and Mediation. Today, I am Jyoti, student of class 12, is standing before you to say my article. And my article topic is The End of VIP Culture in Nepal. We have recently heard a statement which is the end of VIP culture in Nepal. This statement demonstrates the recent incident which happened in Nepal few months back. Actually, the previous Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. KP Oli, was found to be a culprit and a really corrupt minister who runs a dictatorship government in Nepal. He tends to run the VIP culture in the Nepal, which follows to the stoppage or blockage of traffic in road rallies or giving VIP treatments to all the ministers in Nepal. But after seeing that the teens of Nepal, which we also know the Gen Z of Nepal, protested against these, and after the protest, the Nepal government was thrown out and a new election was held. In the recent election, the new Prime Minister of Nepal, whose name is Mr. Balwant Shah, was elected. He was not from any individual election party. He was an independent candidate who fought all by himself. He did not have any party and won because of the huge support from the Gen Z community. And after that, the result which the Nepal government got was every minister have to stop in traffic and have to follow all the rules and regulations. No kid will get any VIP culture or any VIP privileges from the ministries or from the money of the government. And every minister has to show their net worth in the public and give all the proof of his net worth or her net worth. At the end, I would like to say that every citizen has the right to protest against the government and ask the government for his privileges and his rights. He can ask for better education, better health facilities, and better public facility. It depends on you whether you ask or whether you only get abused by the government. Thank you very much.
Knowledge is what benefit you got. With this and now I would like to call Mohit for asking some GK question.
Honorable Chairman, sir, respected principal ma'am, and all the worthy staff of Trent Academy, and my dear friends, this is me Mohit standing in front of you to ask you some GK question on the topic of human body. And my first question is, where are tonsils located? I repeat my question once again. Where are tonsils located? No, your answer wrong. The correct answer is throat. And my next question is, what are neurons? Yes, answer correct. The correct answer is cells. And my next question is, what is the cleanest part of human body? I repeat my question once again. What is the cleanest part of human body? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is. And my next question is, part of human body. Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is teeth. And my next question is, which organ functions after death? I repeat my question once again. Which organ functions after death? Death. Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is brain. And my next question is, which hormone regulates the blood sugar level? Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is insulin. And my next question is, the outer layer part of skin called? Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is hypodermis. And my next question is, what is the hormone of pressure? Pleasure. Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is dopamine. And my next question is, of in human body, which organ is responsible for sperm production? I repeat my question once again. Which organ is responsible for spinal production? Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer nose. And my next question is, which organ forms urine? Yes, so answer correct. The correct answer is kidney. Thank you, Avinash ji.
Success level is.